Missing Titanic Submarine latest, search goes on with time running out. Fate of vessel, still unclear after 96-hour oxygen limit passes. Summary: debris found near wreck of Titanic in desperate search for missing sub. Hunt for missing Titanic submarine. What we know so far, no one really knows how much oxygen is left, says specialist. 5 people are believed to be on board the submersible Titanic, the world's enduring fascination with the famous shipwreck. Live updates. USCG officials said they were evaluating the information following the discovery. A press conference will be held at the Coast Guard base in Boston to discuss the findings at 3 p.m. local time. Rear Admiral John Mauger, 1st Coast Guard District Commander, and Captain Jamie Frederick, 1st Coast Guard District Response Coordinator, will lead the press conference. Here's what we know so far. A crucial 96-hour window has passed in the hunt for the missing submarine passengers. The craft was projected to have 4 days of oxygen supply on board. The U.S. Coast Guard is still trying to identify the source of noises heard by the rescue teams. They called the search so far inconclusive, and further attempts to detect additional noises have been unsuccessful. Where is the search taking place? The Titan is estimated to be roughly 1,500 kilometers east and 650 kilometers south of Newfoundland. Its depth remains unknown, but the sea in that area is about 3,800 meters deep. Who is on board? There are 5 people on board. Stockton Rush, Chief Executive of OceanGate Expeditions; Hamish Harding, a British billionaire and owner of Action Aviation; French diving authority Paul Henry Nargeolet, prominent Pakistani businessman Shahzada Dawood, and his son, Suleiman. Who is involved in the search? The search includes an international assembly of vessels, the French research vessel El Atalanta, equipped with the Victor 6000 robot, the Horizon Arctic, carrying a flyaway deep ocean salvage system, Canadian Coast Guard ships CGS John Cabot, CGS and Harvey, and CGS Terry Fox. What are the rescue scenarios? Once found, potential rescue options involve either winching it up from the seafloor, which presents substantial challenges due to the extreme depth, or using a flotation device or lift bag to raise the vessel. Both methods would require the use of remotely operated vehicles ROVs and face potential obstacles if the sub is entangled in debris. The situation is unprecedented and would require ROV operators to adapt their tactics to the unique challenges.